In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Vrbo email address. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
To begin, open your favorite web browser and head over to the Vrbo website by visiting vrbo.com. This is where the magic happens, as we'll navigate through the site to update your details. Once you've reached the home page, look towards the top right corner of your screen and locate the sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, so make sure you have your username and password handy. After signing in, you'll be directed back to the Vrbo homepage. From here, move your attention again to the top right corner and find the profile option. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you need to select security and settings. Next, on the new page, you'll find several options on the sidebar. Look for the section labelled Sign In and Security. This is where updates to your personal information like your email address can be made. Clicking on this option will take you to the appropriate settings section. Now, within the Sign In and Security settings, you'll see an option that simply says Email. Clicking on this will open a page where you can update your email address. It's a straightforward option, but here's a helpful tip. Before proceeding, ensure you have access to your new email inbox, as you may need to verify the change. When you're ready, enter your new email address into the provided field. Double check for any typos. Accuracy is essential here to make sure you continue receiving important notifications from Vrbo. Once you're confident it's correct, there should be a button labelled Save or Update. Go ahead and click on that to finalise your change. At this point, Vrbo might send a confirmation link to your new email address. This is why having access to that inbox is crucial right now. Head over to your email account, look for an email from Vrbo and follow the confirmation link contained within. Confirming the update will link your Vrbo account to your new email, ensuring that all Vrbo communications are sent to your desired address. And there you have it, you've successfully updated your Vrbo email address. If you run into any issues or don't receive the confirmation email, make sure to check your spam folder. It's a quick process, typically taking just a few minutes, but it's essential for maintaining secure and up-to-date account information. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.